4, 3, 2, 1.
No! Oh!
You don't have it in right.
Our egg is safe!
Yeah, but it doesn't count.
Egg is safe. That's a misfire. You don't have it in right. You guys are not watching.
Does that count as a 0?
No. You guys don't have.
I'm putting mine in. It's a kill shot. I know how to do mine right.
Naomi's egg broke.
That's so.
Yeah.
Henry, go pull it up!
Stuck. Oh, are you serious? It was going up and then it came down. It came out last second, and then the rocket hit the
Nick has to
parachute.
go and then you.
Ready? I'm pumping up to like 60 or something.
Who's pumping you?
I think Anthony. I guess you gonna lock it off at school, you gotta go big. You're gonna lock it off at school, you gotta go big. And what happens if I misfire? I gotta go again.
Now you don't get to go again.
Look, they're going again because they misfired.
Hopefully that doesn't happen.
What?
Seen her.